Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Novaka Rizky Heni Saputra. I hope you are all doing great today. Okay, in this video, I would like to share my personal opinion about a topic that I think is very important for all students. Yeah, this is smoking in campus area. Personally, I disagree with smoking in the campus area. I think campus should be a place for learning, growing, and staying healthy, not a place of cigarette smoke. Okay, the first reason why I disagree is because smoking is very harmful to health. Yeah, cigarettes contain many dangerous chemicals that can cause serious diseases such as lung cancer and heart problem. Okay, not only that, but secondhand smoke also affect people who don't even smoke. Imagine trying to study or relax, but you have to breathe smoke from someone else. It's really uncomfortable and unfair. The second reason is that smoking makes in the second reason is that smoking makes the campus environment dirty and unpleasant. Many smokers throw their cigarettes butts on the ground, and the smell of smoke can spread everywhere. It ruins the clean image of the campus and makes the place less enjoyable for other students. Another thing is smoking around the campus can set a bad example for others, especially younger students or new freshmen. They might think smoking is normal or even cool, when in reality it's a very dangerous for their health and expensive too. Okay, I believe university should create smoke-free zone and provide a special smoking area for away from classroom, library, or cafeteria. And that's why smokers can still have their space without disturbing others. Okay. Yeah. In conclusion, I strongly believe that smoking should not be allowed in the campus because it is harmful, dirty, and given a bad example. Let's make our campus a clean, healthy, and more comfortable place for everyone. Yeah, thank you for listening my opinion. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nova Rizky Nisaputra. Today I will explain about a simple present tense. This one of the most common tense we use in daily life. Okay, next. Before we start, let me explain what the simple present tense is used for. Okay, we use simple present tense it to talk about a daily routine, habits, and general facts. For example, I go to campus every day and the sunrise in the east. Okay, the sunrise in the east is the general facts. And I go to campus every day. This is a daily routine. Okay. Definition. Okay. The simple present tense is used to describe something that happen regularly or is always true. Okay. For example, he studies English every night or water boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. Yeah, he studies English every night. This is apa? Happens regularly, okay? And water boil at 100. This is always true. Okay, next. Now let's look at the formula. Okay, for positive sentence, we use subject plus verb once. Yeah, like she plays guitar. Subject plus verb one plus object. Okay, for negative sentence, we use do not or doesn't not. Okay, subject plus do or doesn't not plus verb one. For example, she doesn't play guitar. And the last one for question, we start with do or does. Okay, with do or does. For example, does he play guitar? This is a question. Okay, this is a question. Do or does in start words. Okay. Next, yeah, remember. Okay, remember when the subject is he, she, or it. He, she, or it. Okay, for example, she. Okay, yeah. Uh, for example, he plays football or she watch TV. Okay, sorry, wait. He play football and she watch TV. But if a subject is I, you, we, or they, we don't add s or es. Okay, remember, if we use he, we can must add s in a verb one. Okay, he plays football. He plays football, and she watches TV. He watches TV. We must add s in the he in the plays, and we must add es in watch. Okay. But if the subject is I, you, we, or they, we don't add s or es. For example, yeah, they play football. Yeah. Okay. Next. Okay, we use the simple present tense for three main reasons. Okay. Wait. For first, habit and routine. Okay. First one, for habits and routines, like I wake up at 6 a.m. Second, for general truths. Okay, general truth, like the sunrise in the east. And third, for fixed schedule. For example, the train leaves at 8 o'clock. Okay. Next, the expression. We often time expression with simple present tense like always, usually, often, sometimes, never, every day, and every week. For example, I always drink coffee in the morning, or she never eats spicy food. Yeah. Next, common mistake. Yeah, there are common mistakes students often make. Okay, for example, saying he play football is wrong. He play football. He wrong. Okay. Remember, in he, she, it, we must add s or es in the subject. Okay, the correct one is he plays. He plays football. Okay. Also, we say she doesn't like tea. Yeah. She doesn't like tea is a correct. Okay. It's wrong. She don't like tea. She don't like tea. Okay. Okay, conclusion. Yeah, to conclude, the simple present tense is used to talk about a routine, habit, and general truths. The formula is subject plus one, and we add s or es for he, she, or it, and don't forget to use do and does for negative and question. Okay, thank you for watching, and keep practice your English every day. Bye.